Some things in your life are not meant for everyone to see. Your struggles, your thoughts, even your happiness are private. Sharing them with the wrong people can hurt more than help. Today, I want you to understand why keeping your personal life private can make you stronger, calmer, and closer to Allah. Every day, people share their feelings, problems, or secrets online or with friends, thinking it will make them feel better. At first, it seems okay. You want advice, support, or just someone to listen. But soon, things change. Words get twisted. Opinions start to weigh on you. Trust is broken. Your heart feels heavier instead of lighter. Allah gave you a special strength to face challenges quietly, and when you ignore it, you give your peace away. Think of your personal life as a treasure chest. Inside are your hopes, fears, and dreams. If you leave it open for everyone to see, it will lose its value. But if you protect it, keep it locked, and share only when it matters, it grows in strength. Your personal life is a treasure. Guard it carefully. Let only the right people in, and only at the right time. There is power in silence. When you face a problem alone, pray, and reflect instead of sharing it immediately. Your heart grows stronger. You learn patience. You learn trust. You learn that Allah sees everything, even what you cannot share with anyone else. Your struggles become private steps toward wisdom and inner strength, not a source of gossip or judgment. Think about the times you shared something personal. Did it bring peace or confusion? Often, sharing brings opinions, judgment, or even betrayal. But keeping your life private allows your soul to rest. It allows Allah's guidance to shine in your heart. Every private struggle you face with patience becomes a stepping stone to wisdom and strength. Your life is sacred. Your heart is sacred. Your struggles are sacred. Protect them, trust Allah, and know that you do not need everyone's understanding or approval. Life feels lighter when you carry your burdens quietly. Life feels stronger when you trust Allah completely. Make this decision today. Share less, pray more. Protect your personal life. Guard your peace. Let your heart grow in silence and strength. Your story belongs to you, not to the world. And the world will never understand it the way Allah does. If this message touched your heart, share it with someone who needs it. Like, subscribe, and let's spread quiet strength and faith together.